Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's still brand new, probably like 3 weeks old.
Still breaking in? Wow. Appreciate the demo, man. It's windy too.
It's like 59 at 30.
159s.
At 30.
Wow. That's good.
50, 55 at 18. 56 at 20. And about a 58 at 25.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good, man.
It's pretty flat. Like, pretty much from like 23 to 38 is
Yeah.
like a 58.
Wow. That's a big good.
But beyond that, it tanks.
Yeah.
And below that, it starts to
That's good. We really built into this. Wow. Nice work. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Whew.
What'd you do?
Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Okay. You changed it up, dude. What all's in here now?
4 ZV5 18s,
Okay.
2 SCV 6Ks, C-Max 95 amp hour,
Okay. What
6
is
order.
Yeah. So what's the specs on that?
6 order?
Yeah.
It's like a 1 to like a 1.1 ratio, 1.2. The rear is tuned to 28.
Yep.
The front is tuned to 56.
Okay.
It's about 5 cubes per sub.
Who built this?
I did.
Y'all did? Nice. Nice work. All right. Looks good. Wow.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.